Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today in this video you will get the concept that how to use web capture as a student or as a teacher. So first of all I would like to say you that please supporting me and like and subscribe my channel so that I can get 1k subscribers and 4000 watcher to complete my monetization period. So please keep supporting me and do not unsubscribe me. So thank you for your support. Firstly, I have also supported. I have got 130 views on my first video and now my ads are also going on. So thank you very much for supporting, and again also I am saying you that keep supporting me. So come back to lesson. So here we'll for using web capture, firstly we'll go in Microsoft Edge. And here as you can see that here are 3 dots, settings and more. We can also click this by Alt and plus F. So we'll click here and then down here you can see web capture. As we'll click on web capture, so it is coming capture area and capture full area. If we will click on capture full area, so this will come this, but I will cross it. And then after going on web capture, I will click on capture area. After capturing area, this plus sign will come in front of you. So I want that only this much should be captured, this much, this much. So then I will click and drag, and after that down when I will stop, so it will come copy or markup capture. I will copy. After copied it came, it is copied. Now I can send it anywhere. So let's try is it coming anywhere or not, but I hope it will not come. No, it is not coming. So this is how we can use web capture, and in WhatsApp we can also share with others, because this is also a method like print screen. So thank you very much, and like and subscribe my channel, and if you are having any queries, so kindly ask me in the comment box. You are freely allowed. So thank you very much, keep supporting me. Again, have a good day. Allah Hafiz.